Hey guys, welcome back to another Just Meta AI Creator tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how you can use Just Meta to write captions for your Instagram posts. So today we're going to go over to the AI panel and down to templates. You can either click up here on social media or we can scroll down till we see these blue ones down here. And as you see, Instagram captions. Click on that and we can put what is your Instagram post about. So I'm going to put grand opening of our second location for our gym. And estimated result length, let's knock this down to maybe 40. Creativity, you can select your level of creativity. I like original for this. And your tone of voice, you can do excited. Excited might be good for this. Humorous, all that. Select your tone of voice, hit generate, and over here you will see your Instagram caption. Double the gains, double the fun. Our second location is officially open and ready to pump out those muscles. Join us as we embark on this new fitness journey together. Let's crush goals and make gains like never before. Hashtag grand opening, hashtag fitness frenzy. So you can see that it comes up with some pretty cool ones. You can click it again if you want something a little different, right? So let's say I want to change the tone. I can come in here. I can go to change tone. I can make this a little more playful. It'll change it, right? So you can go in here, make the edits you need to make, and then you can download it by clicking here, or you can hit here to save the document, which will then come up under account. So guys, this is how you use Just Meta to write Instagram captions, complete with emojis and hashtags. So it's a really great tool. We hope you join us in the next tutorial. Thank you and have a great day.